Hi everybody, Dr. Jody Kinney. So one of the techniques that we do to help with some of our women who have female menstrual cycle issues is adjustments. I'm going to show you two different types of adjustments that we utilize to help patients who are struggling with PMS, heavy periods, back pain, cramping around their cycles. The nerves that come from this lower back area are the ones that go into the uterus, the reproductive organs, fallopian tube, cervix, the whole lower area that gets really irritated and crampy once a month. And so chiropractic really helps with alleviating that. So one of the techniques we use is called flexion distraction. So my tables are very fancy and they bend at the waist. And what this is a nice decompression. Helps to open up the joints, open up the discs, and open up those nerve pathways to create nice decompression, taking pressure off the nerves that feed into your reproductive organs, and help with pain and discomfort around your cycle. The next thing I'm going to show you is a technique where I actually adjust those lower back vertebrae. So I'm going to have my patient turn this way, face me lying on your side. I'm going to contact in the area of the lower back, and I'm going to adjust her lower back. So here we go, a little pressure, John. Good, and then you're gonna go the other way. Same thing. And this is gonna adjust the vertebrae in this part of the spine, which are the ones that feed into those reproductive organs. A little pressure. There we go. Good, right on your back. And that's how easy it is. And those are the ways that we help women who struggle with pain and cramping and PMS and all that stuff around their cycle. Irregular periods, PCOS, all of those things. It really is helpful to get adjusted by a chiropractor when you're struggling with those things. So come check us out and we can help you out as well. So there, Dr. Jody signing off. I'll see you soon.